In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default or new defaults. I won't change my browser, so let's go with Firefox. Just for example. After you download all of your new apps, you can exit Play Store and go into Settings. Sorry. Now, after opening Settings, scroll down a tiny bit to access apps available here. Then click on Default Apps under General and tap on one of those sections you wanna manage. In my case, Browser App. Finally, tap on an app you wanna apply as your new default and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!